This wipe should give y'all a good indication of just how well this makeup tutorial went, because this makeup wipe is very, very dirty from where I kind of like dust off my brushes with it. I always keep a wipe in my lap just to wipe my hands off with and to brush my brushes off with in between eyeshadow colors during tutorials. And honestly, this one got really dirty today, so that should tell you just how crazy this tutorial is about to be. Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hey, hello if you're new here. Today I had this really beautiful and bold makeup tutorial for you all, and I am so excited for you all to watch this video. I love the way that these eyes turned out. I think they're super pretty, super bold, and kind of jewel toned. So let's just get right on into this makeup tutorial. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be priming my eyelids using the Smashbox Photo Finish Eyeshadow Primer. This stuff is amazing and it makes your colorful eyeshadows pop. So I just really recommend using this primer or any other primer that you have. I usually just get a little teeny tiny bit of it because you really don't need much to make these shadows pop. So I'm just going to be applying this straight to my lid using just my little fingertips. Alright, so if my lips look a little bit weird in this video, I'm actually trying out the Too Faced Lip Injections lip gloss, and I'm trying to see if this really does kind of like plump up your lips. I am noticing a little bit of a difference, so maybe this actually works. I don't really know. I'm just using the clear one. But anyway, let's jump into the eyes. So I'm going to be using the Profusion Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Shell, which is a beautiful light lavender color, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner half of my lid using this little flat shader brush. Now using my NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the light teal color in this palette and apply that to the middle half of my lid using this same little flat shader brush. Going back into the Profusion Festival palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Rave, which is a very beautiful bright hot pink color, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid and into my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. The mascara that I'm using is just the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Y'all all know my feelings on this, so yeah. Alrighty, now I'm going to be applying a false eyelash to my eye, and I'm using the Ian lashes in the style Nyla. These are so beautiful and just so dramatic, and they're going to go perfect with this eye look today. Alright, now I'm just going to wipe away this little Lip Injections lip gloss, because last but certainly not least, we are going to be doing lips. And I actually do notice a little bit of a difference with my lips since I did that lip gloss. I actually think it did plump up my lips a good bit. So that is pretty impressive. So now I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. This is just a beautiful nude, and it's going to go perfect with this eye. Alright, now that I have my lashes on, I feel like it just makes a world of difference to this eye look. So now I'm going to be warming up my skin using the Profusion Base Kit Bronzer in the shade Sunlight Bronze. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big brush. Alright, now for blush, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. blush from the Total Face palette, and I'm going to be using the peachy pink one, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using the Profusion blush brush. Last but certainly not least for face is highlighter, and for highlighter I'm just going to be using the Morphe highlighter in the shade Spark. This is just a beautiful glowy highlighter which I am just obsessed with, and to apply it I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alright, now I'm just going to wipe away this little Lip Injections lip gloss because last but certainly not least, we are going to be doing lips. And I actually do notice a little bit of a difference with my lips since I did that lip gloss. I actually think it did plump up my lips a good bit, so that is pretty impressive. So now I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. This is just a beautiful nude and it's going to go perfect with this eye look. Alrighty, my little Hannah corners, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you all did enjoy it, and I will see you all in my next video really, really soon. Bye!